Hello everyone, this presentation is from student BP0243122, and these slides will introduce the global conglomerate and e-commerce giant Amazon and utilize a mixed approach in order to provide recommendations for further development and sustainability. And several models has been used within this presentation, which provide a solid understanding towards finding the correct route to maintain the Amazon's position as a leader within this respective industry. As for the introduction, Amazon is headquartered in the Seattle and was founded in the 1990 when the internet was in the very early stage. In just 2 years, Amazon has achieved outstanding financial performance with its unique online sales model as well as its low prices. And on May 15, 1997, Amazon successfully went public with a valuation of $438 million. Today, Amazon is committed to developing and becoming a leader in the sustainable industries, online retail, and cloud computing. Moreover, Amazon's profit and market share are also increasing within its continuous development in these two areas. In 2018, Amazon achieved an operating income of $12.4 billion and was expected to reach a market share of 50% by 2021. As for the external analysis, a PESTEL approach was used to provide an external analysis in Amazon and the external factors influencing its situation. Political regards, political pressure associated with the customer-related risks, political sensitivity, and limitations in product, tariff barriers and alleviation which may support or strain the business model. The increased distance from the origin country creates difference in the operations, which required adjustment in distance marketplaces. Economic regards, I use the COVID-19 global pandemic as an opportunity to adjust business model to suit the limitations in the global circumstance. And Amazon's toilet paper sales increased 186% year-on-year from the February 20 to March 23. Social regards. The growing popularity of the mobile phone with the escalating level of the consumerism has affected e-commerce. Compared with the offline shopping, more and more people prefer to shop online. And there are also the social elements that can influence the business, such as the functions regarding the sharing, sales, digital word of mouth, which increases reach for customers. Technology regards, and this largely regards the big data analysis into trends, having one of the largest consumer base in the online field. Data trends having marketing semantic and structures are available to Amazon, where they can manipulate and alert channels to optimize platforms and reach. So much like other database companies, it is an exclusive advantage they have over the smaller competitors, and they have chokehold the market because of their share size. Environment regards, although Amazon is an online retailer, environmental factors still have an important influence on it. The logistics distribution is crucial for e-retailers, and the quality of the distribution service affects the customer satisfaction and loyalty. Moreover, the logistics and distribution are also designed to the issue of the environmental sustainability. Lastly, legal regards. From the legal perspective, Amazon, which operates in the several international marketplaces, will have to adhere to specific rules and laws. And for any company, caution and compliance are guidelines for operating within these specific frameworks. As for the internal analysis, so comparing to the RBC capital markets, Amazon has over 1,300 suppliers and employing over 85,000 people via the 400 logistical departments in the United States. Amazon's wide supply chain, alongside innovation such as the drone delivery, constitute one of the competencies of Amazon. According to the data from the e-market 2020, Amazon's e-commerce market share is 38.7%, and the 7.74 times that of another retail giant, Walmart. Moreover, in the e-commerce market, Amazon's brand value and the customer satisfaction are higher. It can be said that in the e-commerce market, the Amazon.com brand has a strong influence and popularity. As one of the foremost technology innovators globally, so artificial intelligence capabilities remain both a core competency and the foundation of the competitive advantage, which is sustainable for Amazon. This company's AI capability, for example, Alexa, provide a refined customer experience, and which adds to its customers' attraction. And this stays the strengthens the firm's position at a strategic level. As for the CSR and sustainability, Amazon has a market capitalization of the $1.6 trillion. It makes a net income of $11.6 billion in 2019. Therefore, it has fulfilled its economic responsibility of the closed model. And Amazon has had some problems in the legal aspect. So at the House Judiciary Antitrust Subcommittee hearing, Congress raised the concerns over the Amazon's monopoly and the data privacy policies, especially about the questions of whether Amazon hinders the success of other business. In the aspect of ethical responsibility, Amazon Career Choice program aims to have the prepaid for employees to enroll in the courses of their interest, and regardless of whether the skills are relevant to their post at Amazon. So on the level of the philanthropic responsibility, so Amazon is deeply involved in the environmental protection, and Amazon is currently committed to investing in the environmentally sustainable development projects such as the global wind energy, solar energy, and the offshore station. As for the implications, so from the analysis undertaken, internal, external, and sustainability, it is clear that Amazon has several advantages in which they can perform above and beyond their competitors within and outside of their respective marketplace of the operations, and they have the sheer scale, power, resources, and influence to continuously optimize existing channels. And this further provide more long-term sustainability, which has a direct impact on the internal and external environment of this business. In terms of the global options, a company the size of the Amazon can easily expand its operations and its business model in different places throughout this globe. However, there are many considerations to consider, such as distribution structure and the level of development a country have regarding the e-commerce. For Southeast Asia can be given the example. There's a huge growth of e-commerce sales within this area, but it will not be in a simple case to plug in and all go. Lastly, I provide some recommendations to Amazon. The company should have avoid the price competition and instead provide a more diversified and customized product to distinguish itself from other online retailers. And the company should also make the full use of the digital technology to display the product information and develop more intelligent brand marketing programs. And the company should conduct full investigation and research before entering the market of different countries. So the aspect of CSR that might be significantly influenced by the recommendations for the global development include the ethical responsibility, legal responsibility, and philanthropic responsibility, especially price fluctuation in the different regions and the environmental preservation. Thank you for the watching.